kung gaano ka galing yung plan of the Giants. Makalalag. One-hander. Militar loses the leather. Patrones steals the ball. Here comes Makalalag. Makalalag. There's a foul ball. Makalalag. Pasa kay De La Cruz. Ang 1-2 punch ng assault for the tournament. What a shot! Seconds remaining, 23-22. We will be back here at City Hoops, Manila. Makalalag. Pasa. Boy, nagaw ni Makalalag. Nasa kay Patrones. Patrones! Yes! Makalalag, yes! Patrones. An assist by Makalalag. Lasal. Pasa kay Makalalag. Makalalag. De La Cruz. Makalalag! Lasal. Makalalag, pasa kay Patrones! What a pass! Patrones, pasa kay De La Cruz.